I've made it to Up Garage, Yokohama, supposedly their largest location around here. So they've got a whole separate section for wheels. Let's go check out inside. Oh, they got 3 different levels. Let's start from the top. I wonder if that's just for one. Huh. Is that price for one or for 4? Oh, okay, that's for 2. Damn, that's 2 wheels, although used, for less than 500 bucks Canadian with tires. Oh man, I'm gonna love this place. Work motion B7R 17-inch. Oh man, I gotta get some of these stuff over together with the GTR or the Integra, man. RS Watanabe. 2 of them. T37. I guess these are 15-inch. A lot of them are for smaller sizes though. But nonetheless. See, I think even this. Wait, this fits my M3. 4 of them for, that's less than 3 grand Canadian. What sizes are these? I mean, whatever sizes it is not a small one, that's for sure. What? Alright, let's check out the top. Holy shit. Okay, they got motorcycle stuff here too. Motorcycle suits and jackets. Helmets. Oh, these must be expired or something. Because this is like 70 bucks Canadian. Motorcycle parts. Oh, mechanic parts or equipment. Let's quickly walk through this section. There's saddlebags. There's a huge selection of jackets and suits here. Oh man. Alright, let's see how much this goes for. What the hell? This is basically 65 bucks Canadian, or like 50 bucks US. Really? What? This is like 40 bucks. I mean, they're used, but still. Wait a second. I used to have this jacket. Exact same one. And now is... The hell am I seeing this right? 1,600 yen? It's like 10 bucks Canadian. Or US. What? Alright, let's quickly walk around and see if I should come back to this section for some jackets. Not that I ride anymore. Oh, this looks nice. Even just as a display. Kawasaki Motors. Let's look for car stuff. Maybe they ain't none here. These are all motorcycle stuff. Alright, let's circle back when I go downstairs. Okay, I do have to restart this here because check out these Alpine Stars. And check out the price tag. 4,900 yen. That's like 35 bucks US. Or 50 bucks Canadian. That's crazy. It's an Alpine Star. Okay, if they got car stuff at this price, I'm gonna need a suitcase, man. Alright, here we are at the car sections. Coilovers, lights. Huh, I don't even know where to start. You can buy a pair of headlamps for 2,900 yen. Not bad. I gotta find some R32 stuff. I gotta find some small. Oh, hey, look at this. You can get some coilovers, or yeah, they are coilovers for 8.6. Hypermax. These are spring-free ER34 tan. I wonder what happened to the rest of the shock and strut assembly. Alright, they definitely have a lot of loose parts. See, the hardest part is actually finding stuff for your car. Got some Blitz coilover. Oh, these are S2000 parts. And then they've got whole transmissions right here. How do you buy these? You just take them to your car afterwards? I guess this is the transmission corner. Wow. Let's see, audio, steering wheel. Intake. See, these days the best way is to go online to buy. So you search up garage online to see everything. You search a model, they all pop up. I guess this is to really actually, if you're the kind of guy that needs to touch and feel, then you come here. Control arms. Is that what these are called? Oh, Costco towel bar. How much is it? Oh, wow, it's 99 bucks. Well, 9,900 yen. That's less than 99 bucks. This is the strut towel bar and all the stiffening stuff corner. What do we have here? Yeah, I don't know what these are. Is it an RX-7 oil cooler? 3,600 yen. What? Alright, let me circle back when I see something interesting. piece. Now that is interesting. Recalibers. Giant Brembo front and rear calibers for BMW. Oh, okay, this is for R35. And you can use it for Fairlady Z also. Well, these are from R35. You can use it for Z33 also. They've definitely been used. Yeah, like something like this I wouldn't suggest. Oh, brick pads. I wonder if these are used. Well, I guess they have to be. It's a used parts store. Let's go to the back. Coilovers. KYB. Anything I can use. The craziest thing is the prices. They're basically from tens of dollars to a few $100. See, these are OEM GR86 for 7,000 yen. The hell? It's practically new. BC Racing, coilovers. Blitz, Bilstein. Check out the exhaust. Here we have seats. Actually, the seat's a good one to buy used because you can see. Oh man, this is basically just slightly over $1,000 Canadian. It's not even $900 US for a set of Bride low max bucket seat. The Z4. What? Oh, if only I can carry this home. Damn it. I see these Recaro. I mean, they're used, but they're not too bad, except for maybe here. But for this price, yeah, definitely not bad for a track car. Oh, with these ones, it's basically $500 Canadian. More Bride. Oh man, it's actually still not that bad. Oh man, 83,000 yen. Or is it even bad? Maybe just a little bit of rub here. Alright, I'm jealous of these guys now. What they can get their hands on is ridiculously cheap. Alright, let's come back in a bit. Oh my god, you won't believe what I just saw. The Mugen Sport exhaust for DC5. With that unique design of a pipe that goes through the muffler. And then they have it for the DC2 also. Wow. Should I be getting this? So my DC2 would be all Mugen parts. Seems a little steep for a used muffler though, but I think these are really expensive when they're new. What do we have here? See, here's another one that I could be getting for the BNR 32, and this is the Fujisupo full titanium exhaust. It's actually including the mid pipe and everything. The super titanium. It's in really great condition. Like I must say, even when it comes new, I'm sure it's just around the same. It's just so that I need a change on the exhaust anyways. Alright, let me give it some thoughts.